First of all, to get into the prometheus of Isha itself, the serenity and that peace that it brings in is absolutely amazing. That itself has been a great start to the program. As you saw, the scale, scope, and the diversity of the activities that Sadhguru and the foundation does is quite mind-boggling, even for us, those who are part of it, because we're looking at a certain segment of it. But when you sit down and look at the sheer range, it's phenomenal. So we thought we will make use of the next 2 days in exploring what are the basic fundamentals and tenets of Sadhguru's leadership and see what we can imbibe from that.
The difference between an EO learning event that happens in a 5-star hotel in a Chennai or a Coimbatore or a Delhi and the one that is happening at the ashram in the Isha Yoga Centre has been primarily the fact that those are all very functional experiences, and here this is very experiential, very subtle, and it's working on the inner self.
The idea sharing, the experience share has been amazing, and that is what I was looking for. You know, when you're being around with such nice people and listen to their stories, it is very inspiring, and it gives a lot of take back value.
The only thing that is about culture is what you do on an everyday basis. The kind of questions that you ask, the kind of behaviors you reward, the kind of behaviors you recognize. That is culture and nothing else. If anybody tells you that you can build a culture in an easier way, that's not true.
There are a pathway to just stay in doing just the spiritual practices. But for all of us here who are kind of living also in the external world in a very practical way, that's also part of our duty. And how can we really engage in that active way while we are also able to practice these two things? You know, both are almost like helping each way of living in a more deeper way. There's an opportunity for us to push ourselves in deepening both sides of our lives.
Program like this is a phenomenal learning opportunity. But at the same time, I also see that whatever I have been able to build, create, has also happened because this, what we are referring to as tools of inner well-being or tools of self-transformation. I have been trained for that, so I will be conducting a few meditation sessions for all of us together.
So in business, I feel it's not just about what you're giving outside. It's also about yourself. So I feel that this program itself was specially designed, for us, for EOs, so that we can get that entire experience.
For an entrepreneur, your net worth is actually the network of people that you have. Because no matter how introvert you are, you have to be out there. You have to be talking to people. You don't have to do sales. You don't have to do business development all the time, but you just be out there and communicate and talk to people and build a network.
If someone wants to do pure spiritual, they can go to this ashram. There are of course many other ashrams throughout India that someone can go to. If someone wants to do pure, business development sort of seminars, there's of course many that they can go to. But the beauty of this was actually the intersection of the two. And I find that life is actually beautiful when you mix different things up together. It was really a buffet here, in the sense you can pick and choose what you want and sort of interactions and conversations you want with other peers.